So start off by shredding some romaine lettuce. This is going to give a body and add color to the salad. Basil, this will add flavor. Chopped celery is going to give a crunch to the salad. Apples, peel and cube. This will add in some texture and sweetness. Pomegranate for color and taste. Red cabbage is going to add to the appearance and flavor. Cubed cottage cheese to make the salad more filling. This is the flavor punch. 3 lemons squeezed. Squeeze in half an orange. Honey to add sweetness and get the flavors together. Olive oil in. Thyme. Red chili powder. The dressing should have kind of a sweet, sour and spicy taste. And the thyme is just gonna add to the flavor. And now comes the fun part. Pomegranates in. Apples in. Toss well but gently. Cottage cheese in. And toss again. The dressing, don't hold back here. Toss again, taste and add more if required. Walnuts. This will add richness and make the salad taste even better. Season with a little bit of salt and serve. And that's how you make salad interesting.